Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix Instagram direct messages is not working, that you cannot send any direct messages or receive any direct messages on Instagram. So first of all, you have to just open the settings of your Android or iPhone and then click on the apps management here and then click on the app settings. Now you have to search for the Instagram app and then click on it. Just click on the storage and the cache, and now click on the clear cache first and then click on the clear storage and then press OK. After doing so, your problem will be resolved. If not, then you have to just open the Play Store and check that if your Instagram app is updated or not. If not, then you have to just click on the update, and after updating your Instagram app, your problem will be resolved and you will be able to send and receive direct messages on Instagram. And if this method not works for you, you have to just open your Instagram and then click on the profile icon and then click on the three lines and click on the settings option. Tap on the help option here and then click on the report a problem. Turn the shake phone to report a problem off and then click on report a problem and then tap on include and continue. And here you have to just write a brief description about your problem, like I am having issues with my direct messages not working as it should. Please help me fix this problem because it is very important for my Instagram user experience. You have to make such type of the short description, and you can also attach the screenshot of your problem as well and then click on the send option. And within a 1 week your problem will be resolved by the Instagram team. I hope this video will be very useful for you. Give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Leave a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching.